In my last video, where I talked about the benefits that I received from learning how to box and starting to train under my boxing coach and getting ready for my first amateur fight and becoming an amateur boxer. And I talked about some of the benefits behind that, man, but they still got more benefits, man. It's not just the discipline. It's not just the learning how to defend yourself. It's not just the mental benefits behind it, but it's also the networking benefits behind it. I'm networking with people. They always, you always hear people say it's not about, when it comes to jobs, it's always about, it's mainly about who you know that's going to get you in the door. So my boxing coach, he knows a lot of people. He got a lot of connections. So that's a connection that has connections, right? So my boxing coach, he screenshotted some messages that the connection that he has sent to him. And let's read it. It says, my coach asked me, he says, "You looking for a good job offshore?" And then he sent me the screenshot to the message that one of his friends or whatever sent to him. And it says, "Hey Tim, any of your boxing guys?" Right? See, when it comes to boxing, you're also showing discipline, physically and mentally. A lot of the skills that are required in boxing can easily transfer over into construction-based jobs, like oil field jobs, welding jobs, basic laborer jobs, etc., etc. These types of jobs require what? They require physical stamina, physical discipline, mental toughness, right? All the things that boxing requires. A lot of these physical blue-collar jobs also require some of the same things. So, makes sense, right? He says, "Are any of your boxing guys looking for a job?" Oh, yes, I am. Yes, I am. I already have a job, but I need a better job that pays more money, or at least a secondary job. So this is a offshore and West Texas travel job. Typically 60 to 80 days, gone a year. Offshore trips are usually 1 to 2 days long. West Texas is 2 weeks a time, couple times a year. So depending on how much, it really just depends. This might not be the greatest opportunity for me, depending on these numbers. So I might need to talk to the guy. He wants to see my resume. So I'm showing him my resume and showing if I can make a good impression and I can show them, hey man, I actually have a certification with basic welding. I'm actually looking to become a welding helper. If they actually require welding helpers within this company, then hey, I might actually be able to get like a full-time schedule. Like I said, I just gotta talk to the man. You know what I'm saying? He's probably mainly looking for just like basic helpers and basic laborers. That's probably basically what he's looking for right now. But I can do more than just basic labor. I can actually be a welding helper. I can help and assist the welders in your company. So it all just depends, man. We're gonna talk to the man. We're gonna see what's up with it. Get more information. See how much money I would be making. And we'll figure it all out, man. We'll find out. And we'll see what's up with it, man. But nice opportunity. I'm already trying to get my foot in the door with these types of jobs and this type of career. You know what I'm saying? Because this is where the money's at for real. This is where the money's at for real, man. You know what I'm saying? You're getting a lot of hours with these types of jobs, a lot of overtime as well. The amount of money you make per hour is, you're making over 20 an hour easy. You're making anywhere from in between $20 to $35 per hour with these types of jobs. Man, you're making good money, man. And by the time you make it back home, Oh man, when you make it back home from these types of jobs, trying to tell you, man, crazy work. So this is why I love boxing, man, because you know what I'm saying, it's just like it's opening. It's just opening, you know what I'm saying, different lanes for me, opening different doors for me. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, and you never know what other type of networking opportunities could arise just from boxing. You know what I'm saying? Just from boxing, man. So, these are the benefits so far of me becoming just an amateur boxer. I really want to become like a low-level pro. You know what I'm saying? That's realistic. It's not really realistic for me to become an elite level pro. Me being only 30 years old, me being 30 years old, that's kind of old, you know what I'm saying, when it comes to, you know, trying to become like a professional athlete. It's still possible, but it's not realistic to become elite level. But it is realistic to become a low level pro. You're still a pro, you know what I'm saying? So I can still become pro. I am interested in becoming pro. Obviously, I'm not trying to sit there and become elite level because that's not realistic for my age. But, you know what I'm saying? A lot of opportunity, you know, can come with this, you know what I'm saying? A lot. And this is just one prime example.